sorry. I just saw like freaking like clouds coming down. Oh my god. Okay.
Dark. That is
Look,
dark.
yes.
That's so dark. Okay.
Oh.
There we go.
Yes, just look at it. Look at that. We have like
Okay,
one, two.
Okay, serious note here. Alright,
seriously.
We need to get parked somewhere out there after this road.
Yeah.
Okay. We need to make sure we're alive. Okay. Yeah, just keep going. Alright. We need to find a place to pull over. We need to find a place to pull over really soon. Like, that is dark.
Stay away from doors and windows.
Yeah, no. See. What better shot, Merkel?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
that is a...
Yeah.
I need to take a minute to stop recording and say look at all this stuff. Ow. That's a different storm though. This is our storm.
So that's a wall.
Yes. Why are they all going this way though? I don't know. It's kind of weird. I mean, some of them are. That is rotating.
Yeah,
That is
whoa,
rotating.
it's rotating.
Oh, Matt. Yes, Owen, I know.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh.
There's no sirens out here. What?
Okay.
Sustain 40?
Okay.
I know. Everybody's pulled over.
Tumbleweed. Tumbleweed's going first. Tumbleweed. Yes.
I have so many tumbleweeds. This is so pretty though. Like, awesome. Oh wow, yeah, it's forming a shape right now. I can see where the area is, and I know what we're just going to do. Yeah. It's go what? It's what? Yes. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we are. We're in Lawton. Yeah, it's on the very southern. You talk like I'm retarded, please, because it's really hard to hear you. Roll the window up for a second. Yes, okay. It's black. It's like green black out here. It's great. All right, the tornado is literally right there. It's giant, and it's rain wrapped, and there was debris. So hopefully we are gonna be okay. We'll see.
Can you see it?
No, it's rain wrap. You can't see.
I know there's a problem. I don't.
You know it by the power flashes.
It was just.
There's like right there too.
Oh my God! Look at the wind right there.
Yeah.
Start praying.
You good?
Yeah. No, it's fine. It's straight line. It's straight line. It's fine. It's not. Hey. Okay, we just saw a power flash right in front of us. So we are under a gas station awning right now, hoping that it's not coming toward us.
It's rain wrap.
Yeah. We're thinking about it. Okay. Go back south. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, yeah, it's forming right there, yep. Giant, like, is it tornado warned yet? Holy crap. It needs to be. Hold on. Yeah, like there's like CGs going right over me right now. Like, dude. Like, striking right down. That thunder too? Dang.